Today I'm going to do a quick start on my 2019 Fat Bob. It should be a cold start, so this is with the S&S 475 cam. I have the S&S 475 cam, the Cobra el Diablo 2-in-1, the Powervision dyno, and my Fuelmoto AC/DC air cleaner. Not sure how good the mic is going to be on this, but I figured I'll give you guys a cold start. The mic I'm using right now is the Purple Panda. I'm set my helmet right now and recording with my GoPro. Not sure why that's white, but okay. We'll let it idle for a couple minutes. It's around 40 degrees today in Michigan. The bike engine temperature is about 100 degrees, so still got a ways to warm up.